They often say that underestimating your opponent is a bad idea in many areas of life, and this definitely applies to litigation. One common way to lose a case or not to do as well at trial as you could otherwise is to put horse blinders on and only look at the facts that help your case, the facts that serve your side of the story, and completely disregard the other facts, the facts that potentially present challenges in your case, the weaknesses. Oh, here are my 5 arguments of why I'm right. I'm going to go over those arguments time after time. I'm going to keep telling myself how good and strong these arguments are, and I'm going to dismiss, if not disregard, what the opposing side is saying because they're lying or they're just stupid, they don't know what they're doing, they don't know what they're talking about, and there is no chance that the jury or judge is going to believe them. This is a bad idea. This is a bad strategy because this way you're going to be setting yourself for all kinds of surprises in the case, all kinds of surprise arguments that you're not going to be ready for. What you want to do is the exact opposite. Make a list of the best arguments that you believe the other side is going to make based on everything that you know about your case and everything that you know about the other side. Include all the arguments you would be making if you were representing them, if you were their lawyer and you really wanted to win. And then ask yourself how you're going to address these arguments substantively, not by labeling them as liars and simply screaming, "Believe me," and don't believe them. But think about the facts that show that your side of the story makes more sense, it sounds more true, while their side doesn't make sense. The fewer surprises that the other side can cause you, the more surprises you're ready for in your case, the harder it's going to be to surprise you and to pull the rug from underneath your case, your arguments, and the better off you will do, the less nervous you will be, the more relaxed you will be when testifying and proceeding with your case, and this will only make your side of the story, your claims, sound more compelling and more convincing.